Hi, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Crypto and Arbitrage Trading Platform. Okay, I want to show us how to use this particular app called recharge.com. You can see it on the screen. This particular one called recharge.com. How to onboard it and how to get Astropay voucher from this particular platform. And also be showing you how to use a particular fintech here in Nigeria. They use their virtual card for international transaction to purchase that Astropay voucher on recharge.com. So let me show you the particular fintech. Okay, I'm right here in my Play Store app. You can see you just type Paga. You can see I have the app already, so they are telling me to update. I'm not updating, so I have the app. You sign on Paga, this Paga app. When you sign on Paga app, then you you verify your account. You verify your account on Paga. Is a particular fintech. It works like a bank. It's a digital bank actually. So you sign on Paga, then you verify your account. We'll leave a link in the description to our WhatsApp group where we'll show you how to get your card and also how to fund your card. So in Paga app, you get a virtual card. You pay for it. I think it's around 500 naira. So when you pay for it, you fund your account. Then from your Paga account, you can now fund your virtual card. So this particular card, Paga card, is what we use on recharge.com. So I'll be showing you how to onboard recharge.com and also how to use it to purchase how to use your Paga Naira virtual card to purchase Astropay voucher card. Then you can sell to other merchants and make profit. Okay, let's go into this. So you can see it's showing your currency as USD and your language as United States. So we click on continue. So you click on continue. Okay, keep me updated. So let's create an account. So let's go back. So you come to this place, create an account. So let's click on create an account. So we sign in with our email. So I'll pause this video and put my details. Okay, you can see I've put my details already. So you can see they have sent. You said you have sent a verification link to this particular email. So I will go and verify my email. I'll go to my email now and verify this particular link. So let me pause it. So you can see this their mail in my inbox already. So I'll click confirm email. Let me show you. Confirm email. So the email has been verified. So we'll go to our profile. Can you see? We'll go to our profile. Let's go to home. Click home. So you are now verified. This is now how to buy your Astropay voucher. So you come to gift card. So you click it. It's loading. Just be patient a bit. It's loading. So you leave this place as Nigeria. So you come to this search button up here. So you search and you search for Astropay. So this is Astropay voucher that we'll be using our Paga virtual card to buy. This is Astropay voucher. So we click it. Now you can see this. We have clicked it. So you can see that this place is in USD. We change it to NGN. Change it to NGN. We'll change it to NGN. So you leave this one as you leave this particular one here as Nigeria, then you change this one from euro to USD. So you can see it is in USD. So that particular card, the particular Paga virtual card is 20 has $20 limit. They just activated it now. So we'll buy this one. We'll buy Astropay $10. You can see Astropay $10. I believe you can see Astropay $10. So you click on order. So because the $20 limit, you increase this to 2. Okay, so you can see the amount and the service charge. Then don't mind this amount here, you just chill. You go to continue to check out, continue to check out. Remember, instant delivery to your email. Instant delivery, you can see it here. Instant delivery to your email. So we click on checkout. So because the particular card we are using is a Visa card, you click it, no extra fee. You can see, click your Visa card. Okay, remember we're buying 2. So this is it. This is the detail. It will be sent to this email, and there's a promo code. If you add this promo code, the amount here will change, because they'll remove the service fee. So the promo code, I'll put it here, you will see it. So you click on the promo code. Remember to click on the promo code. Then the promo code, you can type app summer. App summer. This is the promo code. You type it, then you do what? You add promo code. So you can now see that the amount here has changed. So you come to finish order. You come to finish order. Since the amount here, so they've deducted this from you, the service fee. So you come to what? Finish order. You can only use this once. So finish order. So you go to complete payment. Remember, I have a Paga card already, so I'm just showing you how to use it. So if you need to know how to get your card, how to sign on board a Paga app, you check the link in the description and come to the WhatsApp group and meet others who will give you clear description on how to go about it, and you can DM me when you reach. Okay, so this is where you put your card number, your expiry date, your CVV, and the name on your card. So I have these details. I'll be pausing this video to get mine. Okay, you can see I'm making payment is in progress. You can see the payment is already going. Okay, you can see the voucher. You can see it here. So this is how it is. This is how it is. This is how it is. You are good to go. So it will be sent to your email, and also it will what? You can copy direct from here. Thank you. So also you can also use this particular card on screen. So I've used mine already. I'm just letting you know. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button, hit the bell button for personal update like this, and also share this video and hit the subscribe button also to boost our efforts on YouTube, so that other people can also see such videos like this. Thank you. I appreciate it.